So hello class 10th, I am going to start with your exercise 9.1. Few questions I am solving. Now question number 1. He said a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the pole with the ground level is 30 degree. Now note one thing, the whole question in this exercise or in this topic depends on your figure. The correct figure if you can make, the question can be easily solved. So for this particular question they have given even the figure here, but usually we have to make it ourselves. So now he said a circle artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. Now usually what if you see, rope should be like this way. जब भी आप किसी दिस वे स्लांटिंग होती है रोप हमेशा, तो यू कैन सी दे हैव शोन इट हेयर इन द फिगर. दिस इज अ 20-meter लॉन्ग रोप which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. तो पोल तो वी विल शो लाइक दिस. तो ऐसे एक पोल से वो यहाँ पे टॉप से बंधी हुई है, पोल टू द ग्राउंड. एक उसका एंड यहाँ पे हमने पोल के टॉप से बांध दिया, अनदर वी हैव टाइड इट इन द ग्राउंड. Now is it the find the height of the pole. That is this you have to find out. If the angle made by the rope is now this with the ground is this base. So angle made by rope with the ground is 30 degree. So figure in this question is given. So how will solve it? I have shown it here. Same figure I have drawn it here. So you want to find out the height of the pole, that is AB you have to find out. So I have written according to question AB is the pole. So in triangle ABC, now see, this is right angle triangle beta. AB you want to find out, AC is given to you, and this angle is also given. Now for if angle is this, now what is these two sides acting as? This is always what? For any angle this side is always hypotenuse, and for this angle this is base, so this automatically will become perpendicular. Now it means perpendicular you want to find out, and base is given to you. So perpendicular, sorry, not base, this is hypotenuse is given to you. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse if we use, so what does it become? P upon H is always sine. So we have written as AB upon AC, that is P upon H is equal to sine 30. AB value we have to find out, so we have kept it as it is. This AC we know is 20 is equal to 1 upon 2 is sine value of sine 30. Now cross multiplying, AB is equal to 20 by 2, that is AB is equal to 10 meter. So height of the pole is equal to 10 meter. Now let's move on to second question. He said important that this is second question is very much important. He said a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. Now you can read it also by pausing the video. You can read the question twice yourself also. Then he said the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Now what does it mean, better? Now suppose this is I have drawn it here. Suppose this is the complete height of the figure, the height of the tree, sorry. You can mark it as D, suppose. Now BD is the complete height of the tree. कहीं से पॉइंट ए से सपोज बेटा ये ऊपर का पोर्शन गिर गया नीचे, स्टॉर्म के कारण ये एडी पोर्शन मान लो नीचे गिर गया, दिस ऐसे गिर गया नीचे. सो दिस पोर्शन व्हेन नीचे गिरा तो हमने इसकी यहाँ पे फिगर ले ली कि ये ए सी नाम दे दिया. इस ए डी को आप यहाँ पे डी भी लिख सकते थे, बट इस पोर्शन को मैंने यहाँ गिरा के दिस इज सपोज दिस इज ए सी. नो व्हाट डज इट मीन? अभी पूरा हाइट तो बी डी थी, जो हाइट अब कट गई बी ए प्लस ए सी. नाउ इट बिकम्स द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर दैट टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री इज व्हाट? ए बी प्लस ए सी. Now it means we have to find out both AB and AC from this figure, and then we have to add them to get the full or complete height of the tree. So what do we do? In triangle ABC, once we can find out AB, second time we can find out AC. जब AB find out करना बेटा, for this 30 degree angle, ये दोनों क्या बने? This is base and this is perpendicular. So AB upon BC is equal to tan 30 degree. So from here AB by BC is 8 is equal to 1 by root 3 is value of tan 30. AB is equal to 8 by root 3. We have kept it as 1 here, marked it as 1 here. Now let's move on to figure again. In this figure again in triangle ABC, this time we have to find out AC. तो हम लोग BC और AC में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट कर, BC और AC के साथ रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. अब 30 डिग्री क्या है? दिस एंगल के लिए BC और AC क्या है? बेस एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो बी सी बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज वो क्या होता है, कॉस होता है, सो कॉस 30 डिग्री. सो बी सी अगेन वी नो इज 8, ए सी वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, एंड कॉस 30 वैल्यू इज √3/2. फ्रॉम हेयर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग यू गेट ए सी, इधर ए टू द 16/√3 हो जाएगा. सो ए सी इज इक्वल टू 16/√3. You can see it here. AC is equal to 16/√3, marked as 2. Now we have to find out the complete height of the tree, that is AB plus AC. So for that we will add them. So a total height of the tree is AB plus AC. So on adding 8/√3 plus 16/√3, what do we get? This is 20. LCM लिया 24/√3. और क्योंकि हम रूट नहीं छोड़ते डिनोमिनेटर में, we have to rationalize it. On rationalizing √3 से ऊपर नीचे numerator denominator में we have divided, so it becomes 24√3/3. So cancelling, so we got 8√3 is the complete height of the tree. Now let's move on to question number 3. He said a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. Slides, you must know the swing, slide wali swing. So for the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter. This 1.5 meter, and then he said and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the children, for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide of height 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Now see what are the figures we can make for it. No, he said बेटा फॉर स्मॉलर चिल्ड्रन, छोटे बच्चों के लिए हमने एक ऐसी स्लाइड बनाई ना. स्लाइड तो ये है बेटा, स्लाइड हमेशा क्या होती है, स्लांटिंग दिस वे. नो, दिस स्लाइड टॉप इज 1.5 मीटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. तो इट मीन्स ये टॉप जो है वो ग्राउंड से 1.5 मीटर है. तो वी हैव टेकन एट दिस एज ए बी एज 1.5 मीटर. नो दैट स्लाइड इज मेकिंग inclined at an angle, means that slide is making angle 30 degree with the ground. So this is 30 degree. Now we have to find out the slide the length of this AC. So we can easily find out in triangle ABC, ACB, let AC be the slide. So what is it? This we know, this we have to find out. So this is P upon H. अगर कर दें इसको, P upon H is equal to sin 30. From here cross putting the values of AB, then this is 1.5, this sin 30 is 1/2, cross multiplying kare this, and finally this can be shifted to cross multiplied. So AC's value 3 meter, that is length of slide for smaller children is 3 meter. Now for the elder children, what is it? Top of this slide is at a height of 3 meter from the ground. So we have taken it like this. This DF we have to find out. So in triangle DEF, DF be the slide. So DE by EF. We have to find out this DF, DE is given to us. So again sin 60 we can apply P upon H. So apply DE's value we know, put it here. Cross multiplying, you can see the calculations here. DF की value you can find out easily. So this is 6/√3, and rationalizing it we got 6√3/3. So cancelling it we got 2√3 meter. That is DF is the length of the slide for the bigger elder children is 2√3 meter. Let's move on to question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. It means there is a tower है तो वो वर्टिकल आप शो करोगे. फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड विच इज 30 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टॉवर इज 30 डिग्री. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टॉवर. व्हाट डज इट मीन बेटा? आई एम रिपीटिंग द क्वेश्चन साइड बाय साइड. ही सेड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. अब एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मतलब क्या, हम लोग कहीं नीचे से ऊपर देख रहे थे. फ्रॉम एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ अ टॉवर मीन्स टॉवर के टॉप पे जब हम देख रहे हैं. फ्रॉम कहाँ से देख रहे हैं? फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड. जब हम यहाँ से टॉवर के टॉप पे देख रहे हैं बेटा, देन इट मीन्स नीचे से देख रहे हैं. हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल इज दिस एंड लाइन ऑफ साइट इज दिस. तो इट मीन्स एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन जो यहाँ देखने में बन रहा है वो बनेगा तो यही, दिस इज आर हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल, लाइन ऑफ साइट. तो दिस एंगल इज योर एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 डिग्री. He said from the point on the ground is 30 degree. No, he said which from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. It means वो point foot of the tower से, foot of the tower will be what? This B point. उससे वो 30 meter away था वो point. तो ये इट मीन्स BC, यहाँ पे अगर टावर का फुट है और यहाँ से हम खड़े होकर ऊपर देख रहे हैं, तो दिस मीन्स दिस BC इज़ व्हाट 30 मीटर. So you have to find out the height of the tower, that is AB be the, let AB be the tower. Now what is it? AB you have to find out, and BC you know. And for in triangle ABC, for AB or BC कहाँ पे P upon B बन गया, so that is tan 30 we can apply here. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BC. Putting the values, BC we know is 30 meter. So cross multiplying 30 by root 3, so rationalizing it, 30 by root 3 को आगे रैशनलाइज कर दिया आपने AB की वैल्यू. सो वी गॉट 30 root 3 by 3, कैंसलिंग इट, 10 root 3 मीटर इज योर आंसर. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ही सेड अ काइट इज फ्लाइंग एट अ हाइट ऑफ 60 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड से 60 मीटर ऊपर एक काइट फ्लाई कर रही है बेटा. Then he said the string means धागा जो से बांधा हुआ. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. हमने उससे खींच कर एक धागा बांध दिया. जो ग्राउंड से बांध दिया नीचे, काइट के टॉप से एक धागा लिया जो हमने ग्राउंड पे वी हैव टाइड इट. The inclination of the string, inclination means कि angle made by the string with the ground. Always this word is used for angle made by. So the inclination of the string, that is angle made by string with the ground, is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Slack means कोई बल नहीं पड़ा हुआ, खींच के हमने उसको बांधा हुआ. So it must be the figure must be like this. See here. So this is top where kite is flying. This is kite के top जो है वो बोल रहा है kite is at the height of 60 meter from the ground. So it means AB is your 60 meter. Now from the kite we have tied a string from here to the ground. So this string तो टेढ़ी ही बांधी जाएगी. This is AC is the length of the string. So 60 degree पे वो हमने inclination है string का with the ground. So this is 60 degree. Now what is it? You have to find out AC. Let AC be the length of the string. Now again what is it? AB you know, AC you want to find out. P upon H. So P upon H is equal to sin 60 degree. P is that is AB is 60. Upon AC we have to find out is equal to sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cross multiplying 120 by root 3 becomes your, this is एक बार cross multiply करा, AC root 3 is equal to 60 into 2, that is 120 upon root 3 हो गया बेटा. This rationalizing 120 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 करा, 120 root 3 by 3. So cancelling 40 root 3 meter is your answer. Now let's